everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you some Happy Mail I got, so let's take a look. Kind of exciting. This Happy Mail comes from Jeanette at DOY Creations, and I'm really thrilled. She didn't have to send me anything. She's super amazing. You guys should be following her. I'll leave her channel link down below. She sent me some 2-inch vinyl letters, which will definitely come in handy, which is awesome. And she sent me a boy crochet hook, and there is the size, which we can never have enough crochet hooks. Just saying. There it is. So love that. And this absolutely adorable pouch, which is so cute. Look at all that. Look at all that lace on there. How beautiful is that? Definitely perfect for putting stitch markers in. How pretty is that? And then she sent me a Notions pouch. Look at this. Look at how cute this is. This is so pretty. It is so pretty. I love this. Look. It is so pretty. I absolutely love this. It is so adorable. And it's got a little thing inside to hook your keys or whatnot to. I love this. So adorable, guys. That's adorable. Love, love, love that. And she sent me a lovely little note to thank me for my love and support. She is she is awesome. Couldn't get the words out. So make sure that you're following DOY Creations, and that is the lovely Jeanette. So thank you so much, Jeanette. You are too kind for this little frog. I appreciate it. So love you to pieces. Thank you. I hope you guys stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.